Hello and welcome to the garden. Let's dig in. So I would like to show you this first plant, Lycoris quamigera, and it's very unusual that this plant is still have some green in it, because it normally goes dormant at the end of May or mid-June, and it starts to flower in early mid-August. So I hope it's green because it feels that it has enough water and it feels nice. Otherwise it signals that the plants are rotting and dying, because that's what usually happens when a plant is green so long. It's a triploid species, so it doesn't set seed. It can only be propagated from offsets. And also, if I finish the video, I should start weeding because they are coming up despite of the mulch. You can see that there are some seed pods and some missed crosses, and of course some plants are dying of diseases as normal. The garlic harvest should begin soon. I may start to dig them up in a week, and most of my lilies are finished, so the trumpets are usually over. I have a couple of longiflorums which I'm very happy about, and it's very interesting that the longiflorums have these very big stigmatic lobes which exude a lot of fluid. And many years ago people collected these stigmatic fluids to make white crosses. And of course we had four rainstorms, and some of the plants just broke and fell, so it's not great, but we don't have power over the weather. So this one is Gerlach, a beautiful variety made by Anton Mago. I really like his Aurelians. This is my little Karolinka. It has this really nice dark heart or nectariferose. Elegant, it's very elegant. I think that's what the name means. And there are some others like Betliar and some Otis from Holger Kuhne. He is the, I believe, the head of the German Lily Society. And this should be Lemgo. It's a lovely OT hybrid. And Fancy Dance. So I should plant these plants next time a bit more spacious. Some trumpet Aurelian hybrids from David Herzberg's. They're also nice. Some of my seedlings also. So this is one stem because it has fasciation. And my summer alliums are just start to open up. This is Serendipity, Senescence, Sugar Melt, and yeah, Angulosum Shara. It's a Hungarian name, or Sarah if you're English. And this is a mix-up, so it's supposed to be Allium carinatum subspecies Pulchellum album, and I have one white, the rest is pink. This is pink, and this is Flavum. It's nice. And I won't be able to go in there, so just coming through here. The good thing is that I don't need to irrigate my plants, because we had 4 good rainy days. This is amazing. This is also amazing, but it has too many flowers on a stem, so, but I'm not going to stake it. And this is a fasciated stem of Henry hybrid. It has a darker nectaries. I mean, I like these kinds of flowers, but if the stems are floppy like here, I'm not pleased with that. The fasciated trumpet is still blooming nicely, and these stems just fell over from the rain, so yeah, things happen. That's the beauty and the beast of working in nature, in agriculture and forestry. You never know what's going to happen. So this is Scheherazade, a cultivar introduced by Judith Freeman from Columbia Plata Lilies. It's a gorgeous triploid. And Leslie Woodruff. There are also triploids and tetraploids from Leslie Woodruff, so if your plant doesn't set seed, that doesn't mean you make bad crosses. It just means that it might be a triploid. And most cut flower cultivars which are bred in the Netherlands are triploids, so no seeds on those. And this is a fallen stem, but I don't want to break it, so it will stay flat. It's Debbie. Kessler is finishing up, so there were stems like with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this stem had 20 buds. That's good. I made some crosses before the rain, so I protected them, and I have to repeat one cross because it's broken down. I accidentally broke the style. So the LAs are finished. Some OTs. Oh, this is my favorite. Blizzard. It's a lovely OT and it has pollen, so I can make crosses with it. And some OTs are really small, despite they're growing here for more than a year. Nice big capsules on Belvedere. First year flowering of Orange Planet. So in the first year it gets like 2 feet high, maybe 3. Oh, this one's nice. So this is Booster. It has a really good color. At least it was sold as Booster. And the lovely greenish yellow trumpet. And my gladioli opened. So this one is Oscar. And Oscar is the cultivar which my grandmother grew. The other one will be Trader Horn. Lovely pink. This orange is also very nice. Andina. And this one will be also nice today. I broke buds from this one, so it's not that nice. But it's my lilies, so I can do with them whatever I want. So no lilies here. Oh, this one, Tistarov VRC from Anton Mego. A nice OT. And my dwarf and big cannas are flowering. So this canna is Canna Indica var Sancte Rosé, because it has this rose, pinkish rose orange flowers. Oh, I'm falling in the cacti, so that hurts a bit. Pistachio. orange starfish, more pistachio, and some older flowers of guacamole. Oh, that hurts. Auratum varietas platyphyllum, oriental lily, fusarium, because why not? And which one is this? Virtuoso, Baferrari. The neighbor started his car, fortunately. Gomera, Anushka, Rose Lily Anushka. Santander. This dark one is Firebolt. It's a triploid. Dizzy. Well, some stems bent. Baferrari, but not all of them. This one is very nice. It's called Lucky Angel. At least it was sold as Lucky Angel. The double flower of Varese, Fredo, and Hachi. Big Smile. It's a good cultivar. I like it. And Josephine. And I have some seeds on my Zontadecia. This is a lovely one, Rose Lily Daima. Oh, and we have Rose Kafer there, and a stink bug. So this one will make the flowers distorted, not opening round, but so thank you for your attention. See you next time in the garden. Happy gardening. Bye bye.